everyone, welcome to Guzhen Lighting Fair channel. I'm Sky and I'm the host of today's factory tour. Now we are at Zhongshan Qianpu Victory Lighting Corporation Limited. It's a professional LED company integrating with R&D, injection molding, assembly production, and sales. Now let's move to the showroom and check what's the feature of their products. Now you can see their main products are bulbs and panellights. For the bulbs, they produce T-shape and A-shape bulbs. And for the panellights, they are usually boundless. It's smaller than the usual panellight used in the office. Qianpu Lighting is a professional LED company with experience in foreign trade. As you can see, they got many certificates like BST and FCC. If you need all the certificate, you can make a comment below and let us know. Now let's see what's the feature of the panellight. Qianpu company usually produce SKD service for the foreign partners. You can see there are chips and the cover of the panellight. Also, they got this click. You can put it in the back of the panellight. So what's this for? These two clicks is for the fixing on the ceiling. The traditional panellight usually need to be fixed in the ceiling with the screws, but this panellight does not need the screws. They can easily fix on the ceiling with these two clicks. As for the bulb service, the SKD service usually offer the DOB lighting source, the lighting base, and the lighting cover. You can see the cover is usually made of PC. And the lighting base is good for the heat dissemination. You can see many sizes of bulb cover here, so the power of the bulb usually range from 5 to 50 watts. If you need the LED driver, don't worry, Qianpu Lighting also produce their own driver for the bulb and also for the panellight. If you're interested in Qianpu Lighting's products, let's make a comment below and let us know. That's so much for Qianpu Lighting. I believe after my introduction, you'll have more familiar with their products. And if you're interested in other factory tours, let's follow up our hosted by a program Go Online. It will be run from March 18 to April 18 in this year. See you next time.